Beef and broccoli. Just saying the name conjures up images of steaming takeout containers and satisfyingly savory aromas. This Chinese-American dish is a true classic, loved for its simplicity, bold flavors, and satisfying textures. The beauty of beef and broccoli lies in its versatility. It's quick enough for a weeknight dinner yet impressive enough for a casual get-together. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, this guide will equip you with all the tips and tricks to master this takeout favorite. Get ready to wow your family and friends with a homemade beef and broccoli stir-fry that's even better than what you'd get from your local Chinese restaurant. So let's gather our ingredients and embark on this culinary adventure together. When it comes to beef and broccoli, the type of beef you choose can make all the difference. For a tender and flavorful stir-fry, opt for a cut that cooks quickly and evenly. Flank steak and sirloin steak are excellent choices. They're both lean cuts with good marbling, which means they'll stay juicy and flavorful even when cooked over high heat. Once you've selected your beef, it's important to slice it properly. Slicing against the grain is crucial for achieving tenderness. This means cutting the meat across the muscle fibers, which helps to break them down and make the beef easier to chew. Aim for thin, bite-sized pieces that will cook quickly and evenly in the stir-fry. Marinating the beef is a non-negotiable step in creating a flavorful and tender stir-fry. A simple marinade of soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of sugar works wonders in infusing the beef with incredible flavor. Soy sauce provides that umami richness, while sesame oil adds a nutty aroma. A secret ingredient that elevates this marinade to the next level is cornstarch. Cornstarch acts as a tenderizer, helping to break down the proteins in the beef and make it incredibly succulent. Simply whisk a tablespoon or two of cornstarch into your marinade and let the beef soak up all those flavors for at least 15 minutes. This short marinating time makes a world of difference. Section 4. Stir-frying like a pro. Stir-frying is all about high heat and quick cooking. Preheat your skillet or wok over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. This ensures that the beef sears quickly, locking in all those delicious juices. Don't overcrowd the pan, as this will lower the temperature and cause the beef to steam rather than sear. Cook the beef in batches, adding just enough to cover the bottom of the pan in a single layer. Let it sear undisturbed for a minute or two on each side, then remove it from the pan and set it aside. This ensures that the beef gets that beautiful caramelized crust while remaining tender and juicy on the inside. Section 5. Serving up your masterpiece. Once the beef is cooked, it's time to bring all the elements together. Add the broccoli florets to the pan with a splash of water or broth and cook until they're tender crisp, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, return the beef to the pan along with any accumulated juices. Toss everything together to coat it in the sauce. Serve your beef and broccoli stir-fry immediately over steamed rice or noodles. The fluffy rice or noodles soak up the flavorful sauce, creating a satisfying and complete meal. You can garnish your masterpiece with sesame seeds, chopped green onions, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Section 6. A healthier twist, low-sodium soy sauce. While traditional beef and broccoli stir-fry recipes often call for regular soy sauce, using a low-sodium alternative is a simple swap that can make a big difference in your sodium intake. Low-sodium soy sauce offers the same umami richness and depth of flavor as its regular counterpart, but with significantly less sodium. This swap allows you to enjoy the bold flavors of your favorite stir-fry without compromising your health. You can find low-sodium soy sauce at most grocery stores, often right next to the regular soy sauce. Section 7. Share your stir-fry success. Congratulations on mastering the art of beef and broccoli stir-fry. Now that you're armed with these tips and tricks, it's time to get cooking. Gather your ingredients, fire up that skillet, and prepare to be amazed by the incredible flavors you can create in your own kitchen. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and having fun. So, don't be afraid to put your own spin on this classic dish. Share your culinary creations and let us know how your stir-fry adventures turn out.